Hello, I want to say to you about how I can transfer my coin and get returns from my before staking. Then my staking now is finished and I want again deposit for staking, and I want to show to you how we can do that. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. If you don't have any Binance account, you should first make that, and after use these steps. In the home of the Binance website, and I want to go to my wallet. I'm in the overview of my wallet. The earns in this step, I generally checked my pages. I want to show to you my staking and my flexible saving, both of them. And now I want to change my height, my wet coins, and I want to be redeem that because my staking time is finished now. That was for 15 days. We have two parts to choose in here, and fast and standard redemption. So I want to choose standard redemption because I want to save today rewards for my wallet and more. This is have a big data for us, and always we should care about this rule. I choose confirm. Yeah, and in here we can see redeem success. Right now I'm in Binance website. I want to go to I go to fiat and spot. Now we can bet in here, and I go again to Binance earn for next 15 days. Yeah, now I'm in locked staking. I should find bet in here. Yeah, you can see just check sold out for 13 or for 16 days. Just now I can choose 15 days for staking. I choose max vet 311. All of the parts show to us for making plan, especially end date in here. Now I'm confirming success. All of the things is under control for us, and we can just enjoy about our coins. I want to go to overview again, and then to earn. Yeah, right now I choose locked staking in here. All of the information show to us about a vet. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.